Hi everybody. We are doing number 5 now. So in this one we need to think about what's going on. Now, I have a vehicle going one direction. Okay. And I have a car going in the opposite direction. Okay? They're going to stick together. So after the fact, they will be two objects stuck together going one direction or the other. We'll find out which direction. Okay? So when we start assigning our values, let's do 10,000 kilograms. So we know that M1 is 10,000 kg. Okay? V1 is 10 meters per second. The other kg, that better be M2. So M2 is going to be 2,000 kilograms. All right? And we are given a 30 meters per second. V2 is equal to 30 meters per second. Now, here is a very, very, very common mistake, and one thing you really have to be careful with. We have opposite directions. Anytime you have opposite directions, one of those velocities has to be negative. With momentum problems, you have to be very careful with your direction. So it doesn't matter which direction you choose to be positive. I'll say this direction's positive, so then the 30 has to be negative. Okay? All right. Now, they're going to stick together, and we need to know what happens after the fact. So what's going to be the velocity after the fact? All right? Our inelastic collision equation is M1 V1 plus M2 V2 is equal to M1 plus M2 times V. All right, so we can plug and chug. We have 10,000 times V, which is 10, plus 2,000 times negative 30 is equal to 10,000 plus 2,000 times our new velocity we're looking for. All right, so we can do all our work from there. We have 10 times 10,000, which will be 100,000, plus negative 30 times, negative 30 times 2,000, which will be negative 60,000, is equal to 12,000 times V1 primed. Okay, so we have a 40,000 is equal to 12,000 V primed. All right, so we're going to divide both sides by 12,000 to get V prime by itself. And we get that V primed will be equal to 3.3 meters per second. Now, what direction is that? Which direction am I going to put that arrow over here? Well, we figured out it's positive, right? And this direction here was positive while this was negative. So it must mean that this new tangled mess is going to the right as well.